So Bruce and I are here at Kings Mountain Point Park in the Uwharries. This is a heavily utilized park. Sometimes in the summer, these sites we're going to show you for picnicking are quite full. But it's because it's a great place. This trail is the Badin Lake Trail. It goes across, and some pretty cool scenery there overlooking the lake, some great fishing places, and some primitive camping. So, good place to check out. Alright, so here's the fishing pier at Kings Mountain Point Park. That's Badin Lake. It's an island out there in the middle. This park has some good facilities.